My people, I just want to state my view on this issue of Baba Ijesha. Lanre will fuck up, honestly. Kalo Jenyo to me one-on-one. Before no worry me. I just saw the footage where he was trying to touch the lady, the girl in question and all that. Aṣọ ara mi boom aṣọ. Ó dà bí kí n wọnú video yẹn kí n lọ stop ẹ̀ because I could see the girl struggling one way or the other. But mo rí pé girl yẹn ṣe ń try láti, give little opportunity because I'm sure she was already aware that it was a setup and she must have been told pé kó má jà jù so that Lanre can fall into that trap. And he fell into the trap. Lanre, almost 14 years old. I have a 13-year-old daughter. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ló jẹ́. We're very close. As a matter of fact, when he first got into the industry, Tashi John Ben Korodu, I met you through Funsho Adeolu. And we were always together. You were always coming to my house. So I just want to imagine, pay me at your date, and I have a 13-year-old daughter. Timodewa will pay a friend of mine who is supposed to be a father. Mommy, okay, let me just get to that junction or probably get a drink or something. Anyway, Bonika Lukushema react to nǹkan ó yàtọ̀. You know me, and those who know me do. Because èmi ò ní dá ẹjọ́kọ̀ tí ma bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí record video tó ma rí aṣọ tó ti fàya. If you're not dead, you'll be close to dead. By the time I'm going to record the video here. So that even if you go to jail and come back, you would have a reason to say, mo mess up. Because after my own jungle justice, then I shall file ilé ẹjọ́ or authority law. It is so disheartening. Now, let's go back to those people who are misunderstanding the whole story. A lot of people said he molested the lady, the girl in question, for 7 years. No. According to the story, he made the first move, which nobody was aware, when the girl was 7 years old. Then he went for another 7 years. Came back after 7 years when the girl was 14 years old. Because a lot of people are saying, she láti age of 14, or age of 7 to 14. She for 7 years. No. According to what I heard from the video that Princess recorded, while the girl was 7 years old, he made the first move. When the girl was 14 years old, then he came back, which is there's a 7 years interval. Now I'll go back to Lanre. She won't fish any. Even though we don't have that evidence of when the lady was 7 years old. Nígbà tó sọ pé èèyàn lọ sójú ogun, ó pa èèyàn mẹ́wàá ta ní rọ́nà pa. Ó wá délé, ó fẹ́ wọlé, ó tẹ ọmọ adìyẹ mẹ́wàá pa. Wọ́n tún wá kó fùfú mẹ́wàá, wọ́n kó lé lọ́wọ́, ó tún jẹ mẹ́wàá tán. Evidence wo ló kù ká ní láti believe pé tòótọ́ ló pa mẹ́wàá lójú ogun. So even tó bá ti jẹ́ pé allegation 7 years ago was false, 7 years after, wọ́n wá set her up or di ara ẹ̀, ó tún wá fall into the trap. So which means pé o ti ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀, continuity ló bá wá. You're a big disgrace, honestly. I can tell you, because I know there are so many older women out there who wants to sleep with you or who you have been sleeping with. Kò tó ẹ. Ṣé o fẹ́ ṣoògùn owó kan tán ní kó lọ wọ́ ọmọ kékeré tó máa bá sùn àbí tó máa lọ disvirgin ni? That is if you have not done it in 7 years ago. I'm not here to blame anybody. I'm not here to blame you. But trust me, you are a disgrace. That's the honest truth. You are a disgrace. Because even if that 14 years old girl, tó bá jẹ́ òun gangan ló fún ẹ l'opportunity pé Uncle Larry come and sleep with me, ó yẹ kí brain ẹ sọ fún ẹ pé this girl is a minor. Your brain supposed tell you, say this girl na small pikin. I am old enough to be her father, so I should be correcting her that, babe, what you're doing is not good. What you're trying is not polite. Ọmọ tó yẹ kó máa warn, kó máa sọ fún pé face your studies in school. Don't give all these boys opportunity to deceive you. Your education is more important. Teach her morals. Ìwọ ló tún wá. Oh, God damn it. Anyway, it's okay. So, ọwọ́ ti bá láṣẹ jù báyìí. Your eye don't open. My own advice when you come out, because I know definitely this video will be waiting for you when you're out, or somebody might come in there and say, see waiting your party they talk on top this matter. If you come out, don't even make any attempt to say you want to come on the social media and say your own part of the story. After we have seen this clip, just go hide your face in shame. I heard you saying when Princess was questioning you on the first clip. To be possible, just leave prison or anywhere quietly and just go commit suicide. Honorable exit, if you do that, is a big disgrace. It is so disheartening. So if you have a daughter, how would you feel? No, I'm just asking. How would you feel, Larry? Oh, do me for a gun. Because I know when my family see this, even my elder sister and all that, one will say, so this is the kind of friend that Diola brought home. It's a disgrace, honestly. Then, another version of this is Yomi Fabiyi. I didn't watch the whole of your clip where, Iyabo attacked and all that. You're also someone that I know one-on-one. But what I see in that problem, in that clip, as a problem was even Bibeli saw. How do they put it? I mean, Lord Church Dara. But ka fiara bale. No, ka yara gboro. But ka lora fesi. Which was what you didn't do in that clip. Because you felt it is Ijesha. A female colleague. I mean, a male colleague. He needs support. The women are against him. Oh, farabale, lati wo pe what happened? Because like I heard, you didn't pick up your phone to call Iyabo or to call Princess and ask for their own view. You went online and you were just saying what you were saying. Even if you were right or you were wrong, the fire puts a farabale rara, ìyẹn ti kọ́kọ́ kú báyìí ná. Òun ló jẹ́ kán bẹ́ẹ̀gì fún ẹ. Àìfarabalẹ̀ òun ló jẹ́ kán bẹ́ẹ̀gì fún ẹ gidi. So I'm sure when you see that clip that I'm just talking about now, Tonsheshe release, if you see the footage, Area Pale, then how many people do you now have to walk up to and say, ẹ má bínú, mi ò mọ̀ pé ó ṣe ń tòótọ́. That was why I released the first clip or probably made the first statement. How many people? And I hope a lot of people are going to learn from you. Ẹ máa farabalẹ̀. Tókun bá ń wó riri, a kì í wá riri. Ọbẹ̀ tó bá gbóná, a kì í rọ́jú jẹ. Because tẹ́ bá jẹ tó bá bóyin láhàn, by the time tọ́bẹ̀ bá tutù, ẹnu wo lẹ fẹ́ fi jẹ. Ẹnu wo lẹ fẹ́ fi jẹ. And for those of you who are blaming those who are not talking, why blame them? Why blame them? Everybody will need láti wá online, láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀. Everybody will need láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí act movie online on the street without the camera or the crew. Some are just coming out because Princess is my friend. Not because they have interest in that case. And some are just coming out because I want a favor from Princess, or I want a favor from Iyabo. So this is an opportunity for me to support whatever thing she's supporting, so that at the end of the day she will see me as friends. Ojú ayé ló pọ̀ nù nǹkan tí mo sọ fún yín ṣe. You're not even interested in the girl. You're not even interested in Princess. You're not even interested in justice. Because mo mọ̀ pé tó bá dojú ẹ̀, tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kó máa wá sí court, the witnesses bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí yọjú, a lot of you will run away. Ìgídà ẹ̀yẹ́fò nìyí. I won't be surprised about to stage because tó bá jẹ́ Princess nìkan ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí appear in court. Àwa wẹ̀ yín ẹ̀ wá wá lọ́mọ ogun dà, wọ́n á ní gbogbo ọmọ ogun ti sá lọ. That's the problem. And for Princess, please take heart. The God will be with you, and I'm sure justice will be served in due course. But please, Yoruba niye, be careful. Most of these people are psycho fans. Trust me. They would push you to an extent. Tó bá tó stage kan, wọ́n máa padà lẹ́yìn ẹni. And that will be worse than the case at hand. Please, I beg of you, Princess, watch your back. Watch your back. Most of these people are not your friends. And you would agree with me that even most of them who are coming online, recording videos because now they buy their data, supporting you. I might want to ask you, how many days, how many months, or how many years ago ló bá most of them sorrow? When they have not been hearing from you, when last did they call you? When last did they ask you how you're doing? When last did they ask you about your career? Ó wá délẹ̀ tán báyìí sí wọ́n bá ìfẹ́ lójú. Tán bá wá fẹ́ lójú tán, tó bá dojú ẹ̀, they would pull back. One way or the other, Ijesha has messed up. Trust me, I'm saying it again. Tó bá jẹ́ mi ló bá ṣe irú ẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ èmi ló bá ṣe irú ẹ̀. White t-shirt tó wọ̀ yẹn, tó jẹ́ pé kàn fàyà lásán ni, ipọ́n á ti bò ó. Wọ́n máa rò pé Hakeem, wọ́n máa rò pé Hakeem effect ló ṣe makeup ẹ̀jẹ̀ fún ni. Because I won't even wait. I won't wait for the police to arrive. Because seeing that clip, seeing that footage alone is something else. And now for those who requested for that clip initially, tẹ́tí bú wọn, ẹ ti ṣépè fún wọn, ẹ ti ṣe this, ẹ ti ṣe that. Do you now start going about apologizing to those people for releasing this same clip that they requested for? Tẹ́ ṣépè fún wọn. Or what is the reason for releasing this same clip that they requested for confirmation? Why was the clip delayed? Kálẹ̀ ti tètè release the clip on scene. Drama yóò bá má pọ̀ tó yìí. Trust me. But you guys never did. Wọ́n ní ta ló máa fẹ́ kí kọ́mọ ẹ̀ kó go viral. How would the child feel? But at the end of the day, everybody ló mọ̀ pé when we see clips, we can always blur the face, and nobody would be able to identify who is in there. Instead, get wá sọ pé káwọn èèyàn ṣe sùúrù, ẹ ń ṣe pé fún wọn, ẹ ń ṣe this, ẹ ń ṣe that. Èpè tẹ́ wá ṣe yẹn ń sìn ibo ló fẹ́ lọ, because at the end of the day, ẹ release clip. Ẹ jẹ́ ká caution ara wa o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká caution ara wa, because I don't understand. As a matter of fact, ṣe ni mo feel pé kò sí Yorùbá movie industry mọ́. Because for a while, see, we've been talking about Oduduwa Nation. We've been talking about the agitation. We've been talking about kidnapping and all that. No one has ever come out nínú gbogbo yín to support that fight. No one has been out láti lọ record video, láti wọ studio, láti campaign against terrorism, láti campaign against kidnapping, láti campaign against Fulani herdsmen tó ń pa àwọn èèyàn. But all of a sudden, gbogbo yín kàn jáde síta ṣá. But tó bá dásìkò campaign, ẹ máa jáde, ẹ máa ṣe oríṣiríṣi clip, ẹ máa support politicians, ẹ máa support ilé. Láàrin ara yín gan, ẹ tún pín. Ẹ ní PDP version, ẹ ní APC version. Ẹ tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bára yín jà. Stupidity upon stupidity. Ìtàn sọ láti jọ yìí, nobody, none of you ever came out láti sọ. Kọ́n bá máa sọ, wọ́n lè sọ pé bóyá torí agitation, wọn support ẹ̀. They don't want to have anything to do with they don't want any problem with federal government. Nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn. But tó bá ti di pé election dé, ní wo pé kan federal government, kan state, support wọn. Because most of their men are the ones dating your girls. Àwọn ló ń finance yín. So àwọn tó ń jà fún rights wa yẹn, because àwọn yẹn ò lówó tó fẹ́ fi finance yín àbí tó fẹ́ máa kó fáwọn girls yín, because they are not dating your girls, they are not sleeping with them. You guys are not supporting them. Now all of a sudden you guys are everywhere fighting over what Ijesha did. Èmi rò pé exist money now. I don't want to mention names. I don't want to abuse anybody, because 90% of the people in the industry are my personal friends. And probably because I'm also into entertainment industry, I don't want to, have any issues with anybody. But let's call a spade a spade. You guys are not doing the right thing. You are not doing the right thing at all. I know they read comment too. Because once I post and you start commenting, whether you talk good or you talk bad, you will never get the response. I not get that kind of time. I know they read them. Once I post, I turn my back. So if you start commenting, if you like abuse me, if you like slap me from phone, if you like vex, break your phone, now your problem. Oh. Once I post, I don't come back to it. And those of you who know me personally, if you call me, don't even talk about the video. Just call to ask for my account number, because you don't think we will talk, or call to greet me. Nobody should come for me. Oh. I not get time. I get headache. I won't use paracetamol on top of my own matter. I'm not ready to start using paracetamol on top any other person's problem. My own do me. Èmi tó mi gbé. Ẹ kó pàlàpàlà yín dà sọ́hùn. Everybody come say stupid and say stupid.